What's up, everybody? This is Autohaus Z, the owner of CM Autohaus, and here is my 2015 Scion FRS. This is the RS 1.0 model, and as you can see, I have the big brakes off of the BRZ Performance Pack installed. I just sighed because it's freaking late. It is 11:26 at night, and it is too late for me being here. So I wanted to do a quick how-to. I finished the install already, but just to show you guys kind of what you need. I bought the Performance Pack big brake assemblies off of eBay. You can usually find them for under 2,500. I bought mine specifically for 2,300 shipped, and it included the knuckles, the calipers, brake pads, rotors, the backing plates, the lines, and I'll show you some tips if you want to get performance pack brakes onto your FRS, BRZ, GT86, etc. So the fronts are pretty straightforward. I wanted like OEM level install. So I know a lot of other big brake kits, they'll get rid of the backing plates entirely, but as you can see, these are the front calipers, front brake assemblies. So the backing plates are different on the performance pack for these bigger rotors. So I have the new backing plates on the front and on the rear. And then the key with the rear is that the parking brake assembly is inside. And good pro tip: you actually don't need to take apart all this parking brake stuff. These are the ones for the factory brakes. All you need to take off is the parking brake cable. So it slides up through that hole, goes in here, and it hooks on right there. So all you need to do is take the parking brake cable off only. Don't take these guys apart if you're changing the whole backing plate. Another tough part is these knuckles, or these wheel bearing hub assemblies bolt onto the front, and these 4 bolts is actually what secures this backing plate in place. So you have to undo the 32 millimeter axle nut right here and push the axle back so you can access the 4 bolts back there to take the wheel bearing and hub assembly off of the front, and then you can take the backing plate off. Again, this backing plate is different on the performance pack to allow for this bigger rotor and bigger caliper. All right, so any questions, drop a comment. Please like and subscribe, and I promise more YouTube content. Thank you guys, and we'll do one quick walk around of this thing. Fender covers is always important. All right, cool. Thanks, guys.